on this Mother's Day, then, what are you doing?
What are you even doing?
What are you even doing? Courtney is joined by beauty experts sharing all the latest glam trends.
You hear this?
Yeah, what's that?
There's something cooking. We'll explain in just a little bit.
Cooking?
It's the opulus. It's cooking. We'll explain.
Oh.
Okay, but first, it just stopped. Okay, so first up, let's say hello and good morning to Mickey Williams. She's joining us this morning. Hello,
Hi,
darling.
beautiful. You look all sunny.
It's sunshiny out here, and it's the week of Mother's Day. So this is the perfect week to talk about ways to completely spoil mom.
Yes, and I definitely have 3 gifts here that are like really spoiling mom now,
Yes.
okay? Because she deserves it. So
Absolutely.
First off, moms love skincare if they're like me and everybody else, other mom I know, right? So if you really want to go over the top, I have this first kit for you. Not the one you were just cooking up there.
Right.
This is by Theraderm. This is their anti-aging kit system. Okay, Courtney, I'm just going to tell you that like every product in this kit is award winning. Okay, like whether it's an Alert Beauty Award, you name it, because it has their cleanser in it already that wipes everything away. It has their fruit acid exfoliant, which takes all of that off your skin. And then you have the OPC right here, which is it's vitamin C that's won all these awards. But wait. It even has the Eternox, which is like the gold baby, because this actually prolongs the life of like your injectables, like your Botox, you name it. But hey, wait. It also helps with any lack skin. So like, this is my go-to for skincare. If I could give this to everybody, I would, but obviously it's a special occasion kind of thing. So loving this for mom. You can get it at theraderm.net. It's just unbelievable. Awesome kit.
Fabulous. Okay, next up.
Now, I sent this to you over the weekend.
Yes.
Every mom loves a good facial, but maybe she doesn't want to go out to the salon, or maybe she's just that lady that likes to take a ritual within herself. This is amazing. This is brand new technology, brand new chemistry. We've never seen anything like this before. It's called the Opulus Beauty Lab. It's by Opulus Beauty Labs, and this is their system. This is actually their Glow Rituals collection. Look how pretty she is. What it comes with is this great little thermal activator.
Right.
You see this, that you just plug the button in, yep. And you have all of these 3 facials. You have the Awaken, you have the Clarity, you have the AHA facial. You have a facial for anything that mom would like. And you see those little pods there? You're gonna pull those out, and what that is 100% skincare ingredients. There's nothing else in that. And you're gonna pop it into your little activator just like this.
Okay.
Pop it in. And how crazy is it? It's going to basically heat up to the optimal temperature for maximum absorption. Look at that. It's beautiful. I love this.
That's so fun.
And then you put it on your face, and then when you're done, you're going to pop in the second pod after you clean it out.
Right.
And that's going to be the wash. It's going to be the cleanser. It's going to be the neutralizer. It is such a decadent little skincare obsession ritual system that you can have for if anybody loves a good facial. This is amazing. I'm loving these.
Fancy.
But you can only get it at Opulus Beauty Labs, and it's really like such a great why shouldn't we be spoiling mom? Spoil her with a facial,
Right. And then after she's done her facial, she wants to make sure that the skin stays off, or the sun stays off her skin.
Yes.
So, bam.
So I know you love a good hat.
Girl,
but
this
look
lid.
how cool this is. I love these hats. And then they also have the hat bag.
Yes.
So not only is there a way for mom to wear the hat, but she can actually tote it around without crushing it. I'm obsessed. This is by Gigi Pip. This is the Isla Straw Fedora. I have one too. I'm going to tell you, these aren't sold together, the bag and the hat. But if you get her either one, it's a home run, baby. I mean,
Fabulous.
How hot are we? So I love these ideas for the glam mom. I mean, give her some skincare, give her a facial, and then send her on her way in a sunny day to a fabulous brunch with a killer fedora, right?
Indeed. Okay, so we're going to link all the details for these fabulous mom gifts to the website, gooddaysacramento.com, under show info and today's date. She is the specialization of glam. Now, coming up in the next hour, let's say you got to do a quick last minute, under $25.
Quick and cheap.
She's
quick
got
and
that
cheap,
too.
baby. We're going to go quick and cheap, last minute, and not expensive for mama.
I love it. Thank you, Mickey. All right, we'll see you soon. Code.
I am all into this new Indiana Jones movie. I think it's going to be fantastic. Oh, that's